Hello friends, today in this video we will learn 20 lines on light. So let's start. Light is a form of energy that we can see. It helps us see objects around us. Light travels in straight lines. Shadows are formed when light is blocked. The sun is the biggest source of light. Moonlight is reflected light from the sun. Stars twinkle because of the way light travels. We use electricity to produce artificial light. Bulb, tubes and LEDs give us artificial light. Mirrors reflect light and images. Lenses focus light to form images. Light helps plants grow through photosynthesis. Animals use light to navigate and find food. Humans use light for reading, writing and working. Light has different colors forming a rainbow. The speed of light is very fast, approximately 299,792 kilometers per second. Transparent objects allow light to pass through. Opaque objects block light completely. Translucent objects allow some light to pass through. So, light is essential for our daily lives. Thank you for watching.